Good afternoon, all the Inderes TV viewers and listeners. Incap published its Q1 report yesterday, and on this video, we will walk through that performance and cover some, in my opinion, more interesting topics as well. And here with me, we have the company's CEO, Otto Pukk. Welcome, Otto, once again.
Thank you very much, Joonas.
Let's warm ourselves up a bit and start by going through your Q1 period. What happened during that and how the overall performance was?
I think overall performance was very good, and there's still a lot of challenges on the market when it comes to material situation and energy situation and so on, and now also the geopolitical situation in Europe. But overall, good. We're growing both in revenue and so we're very happy with the result.
Good. In 2021, your largest customer brought around 61% of your total revenue. Could you some more color on this partnership? How long you have had it, and how it has developed during these years?
No, this is a long-term partnership we have had over 10 years, and we have developed. We are doing more and more different kind of services, more and more different products with them, and have had the opportunity to grow together with them. And we are very happy that we have great customers like that, and that we can help them to grow and achieve their business goals.
Yeah, you already mentioned that you are making multiple products for them. Is it so that you have also been able to win you have been able to maintain high retention ratio for this customer, and you have been able to win new products or new models for existing products?
Yeah, no, I think it's a partnership, and we continue to develop together with them, and so it has been a good cooperation, and I hope we can continue with that also here in the future and develop it even further.
Good. Are you worried in anyhow about the centralization of your customer portfolio?
No, I wouldn't say I'm worried. I think in the EMS business, it's quite often so that you tend to have a little bit dependency on some customers. We're working all the time on balancing that with gaining new customers, developing other customers as well, and also looking at that possible M&As on the market. So I guess it's how to say back and forward things that if you look over time, then we have also had situations where we have had one customer even bigger in that sense in the past, and it goes up and down. But overall, I'm not worried about that.
Good. In November, we talked a bit about your service-related competencies and their strategic rationales. When we're thinking about acquiring new customers or getting new customer wins, do you think these capabilities and know-hows combined with your decentralized business model can give you some kind of an edge in this competition?
Yeah, I think so. I think of course that the more service offering you have in the EMS business in general, the better. Of course, starting new business relationship, normally we start slow and perhaps with the manufacturing and a couple of services on top of that. So, but over time, for sure, it's a benefit to be able to offer more than just the manufacturing.
Good, exactly. Let's then move to value creation and its most important determinant, capital allocation. Starting from India, you are now constructing or investing to your new third facility. How this process has proceeded, and have you already been able to sell the new capacity?
No, of course, the expansion is very much driven by demand and not by any, how to say, risk taking in that sense. So yes, we have been able to how to say, get plans for the new facility as well. Overall, I just came back from India here this week, and overall the progress is going very well, and we are on time schedule. And I hope there, as I mentioned to you before the interview as well, that we have some nice 3D models and so of this, and I hope we can get that out in social media for investors and others to look at quite soon.
Good, that sounds good. How about your European factories? What kind of investments you are doing there?
Yeah, we have been growing in all our units, and we continue to invest in the different production lines and when it comes to equipment, and so this is something that is is always ongoing, and how we can do our business better, and how we can improve technology and so around it. So we're growing in all units, and I'm happy to see that.
Yeah. When we are talking about your Indian facilities, we are typically talking about high scale, high cost efficiency, and thus superb returns on capital investment. What would you think, or what do you think are the key strengths in your European factories?
No, I think it's the same. I think that the Incap mindset is very much focused on the cost. Everybody that have been in our headquarters really see it, that it's not only what we say, but we actually live it in that sense. So and I welcome people to come and visit us and see how our mindset is. But I think it's the same in the European units. We're very much focused on cost and creating value for the company and the customers foremost, and that also then creating value to the shareholders. So it's living what you're saying is, I think, the key thing in there.
Yeah, maybe this could be concluded in a way that European factories as well have been operating quite well during the last couple of years.
Yes. As I said, we have been growing in all the units, and of course, India, perhaps with the big expansions there, have been growing physically the most. But still, we look at growth all over the scale, and I'm very happy to see that.
Good. And finally, a few words about M&A. Could you tell us a little bit about the general atmosphere in that field or area?
I think there have been a lot of activities on the market here during the past years, and that perhaps have driven up a little bit the valuations of the companies and expectations. We continue to work with our team and evaluate different cases and looking at different possibilities. I've said it before, we're not in a hurry there. We have great growth when it comes to our organic business, and we don't want to jeopardize this in any way. Let's see. I'm hopeful still that we will find something interesting that will contribute to our setup and our market exposure and so let's wait and see still a little bit.
Good. Thank you, Otto, once again for your answers, and congratulations on a good start for 2022, and I wish you the very best for the rest part of this year.
Thank you very much, Joonas.